All right, guys, real fast. I thought I'd do this just to. Oh, let me clean the lens. Real fast, I thought I'd do this just to show you guys something. This is a car lot car. They said that they know it needs a battery, but they're trying to figure out what's going on with the lights on the dash. They said you just got to jump it and then go drive it, and as soon as you start driving it, you know what we're talking about. So the issue is AC ripple in this car, and it may very well be the alternator, but this is an important part of communicating with your customer why faults exist and why things work the way they do. This alternator is probably straining its life off to keep this bad battery with a dead cell charged. So if you jump it, it starts and runs, and this is it idling right now. And I checked with a voltmeter, just a voltmeter, and it's charging at 13.6. And then it starts to fluctuate up to like 14.2 if you let it idle here long enough, as it really starts to kick up. This is a Dodge or Jeep Commander. I think it's like a 2007 or 8. So it's PCM duty cycle controlled alternator. I'm not going to perform any tests. I just want to show you guys what's going on and explain to you what's happening. I knew what it was as soon as it happened. I verified. I just didn't think to record it, and I really don't have time. I've got a whole bunch of cars to look at here, so I'm going to rev it up. You see all that? This is due to AC ripple. Chryslers are plagued with problems. The entire problem with this is that it's got a bad battery and may have a damaged alternator. I don't know. So I'm going to show you a quick test, and I don't actually know what this will do because I haven't done it yet. So this may or may not work. Literally, I just haven't tried it. But I left my tools on the other side of the lot. I was just over here checking this one out with a scan tool. So if you want to come with me for a second, I'm going to pop the hood. All I have with me is a scan tool and a jump box, and my jump box, because I knew it was dead. That's what they told me. I kind of figured what this was before I even came over here. Also, the battery cables they left loose, which is another potential problem on its own. So we're going to hook this jump box up. It's charged. We're going to see what it does now. See that? No problem. It's gone. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Open the door back up. We'll undo the negative cable. Just take it off. I'll show you how easily replicatable it was. Just opening the door, it freaked out. Every time. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is simply a bad battery causing this issue. They called me out to look at this. Guys, you got to check your basics. If you come into any drivability, any electrical issue, anything, you have to start with a solid charging system, low AC ripple, and a good source of power, a good battery. Start with that, guys. There's your quick tip for today.